Each member of a relay team has to run a quarter mile. The total length of the race is 3/4 of a mile. How many people are going to need to be on our relay team in order to complete the race? Well, let's start by splitting our 3/4 of a mile length up into quarter mile segments. So we would have 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4 of a mile. I would need somebody to run the first segment, somebody to run the second segment, and somebody to run the last segment. That means we would need 3 people on our relay team. The other way we could solve this would be by division. The 3/4 of a mile would be our dividend because that's the total amount we have. The 1/4 of a mile then would be our divisor because that's how we're splitting it up amongst the team members. So we would be solving 3/4 divided by 1/4. When we solve division problems, we actually have to turn them into multiplication problems. Our dividend of 3/4 is going to stay the same. Our division sign is going to become a multiplication sign, and our divisor of 1/4 needs to take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/4 is going to become 4/1. So this means we're solving 3/4 times 4/1. We can go ahead and multiply our numerators. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and then multiply our denominators. 4 times 1 gives us 4. 12/4 is an improper fraction that we then need to simplify. I can do this by dividing numerator by denominator. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, so we can see we're still going to need 3 people on our relay team. We're going to solve 3/8 divided by 5/6. Our dividend of 3/8 is going to stay the same. Our division sign is going to change to a multiplication sign, and we need to take the reciprocal of our divisor. The reciprocal of 5/6 is 6/5. Now we can follow our rules for multiplying. Multiplying our numerators together, 3 times 6 gives us 18. Multiplying our denominators together, 8 times 5 gives us 40. 18/40 isn't in lowest terms, so we're going to have to simplify. The greatest common factor of 18 and 40 is 2, so I can divide both my numerator and my denominator by 2. 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. 40 divided by 2 gives me 20. So in lowest terms, my solution comes out to be 9/20.